Hey praisers and savers, welcome to my channel. We're about to head into Walmart right now. My name is Sandy and I'm so excited for you guys to be here today. I do not believe we'll be using any coupons today. We'll only be using the IBOTTA rebate app and the Fetch rebate app. So I'm really excited about that. And this is a different video than I've ever done before because I am not going to be doing a lowest out-of-pocket video. This is going to be me grocery shopping in the store for things I need that are on the IBOTTA app. Now, before I go into the store, I have gone through the IBOTTA app and checked out all the items on there to see if there's anything that I can make for meals this week. And I'm just meal planning using the IBOTTA app. I was really excited to do this. So I saw on there's a Smithfield pork tenderloin, and that's something my family eats. There's the Kraft macaroni and cheese, that's the blue box, and then also the Kraft macaroni and cheese, the deluxe. So that's something else they eat. So I was like, I'll go ahead and pick those up for that to be a meal. There aren't any veggies on the IBOTTA app this week to add on, but I do have some veggies previously from Kroger, some of the frozen ones. So I'm going to be using that to incorporate in my meal. Also, there is a pulled pork from Lloyd's pulled pork. I'm assuming that's going to be in the prepared food section in Walmart, so I'm going to check that out. My kids do like pulled pork. And there's also the sandwich buns that I love. They're like the Nature's Own handcrafted brioche sandwich buns. So I'm going to pick those up as well so we can make a sandwich with the pulled pork. And like I said before, we have the macaroni and cheese that we can incorporate into the meal as well. And we have some things from previous trips that we can incorporate as well. And then we've got some, I think, some SpaghettiOs on there that we'll be getting for some quick lunches, and some Purdue chicken nuggets that my kids can eat over the weekend that are for some quick lunches, and then some snacks for lunch, and then maybe some breakfast food. So we'll find out, but I'm hoping not to use any coupons today and just use the IBOTTA app. I'm going to see how long it takes me in the store. I'm going to time myself. I'm hoping to get around like 45 minutes. So let's get shopping and see what happens. Also, if you are not part of any of the rebate apps, IBOTTA, Fetch, Swagbucks, and Shopkick, please look in the description box for my referral codes. You guys get a little commission, and I get a commission as well for signing up. I would greatly appreciate it. Also, I just launched my new website, praisingandsaving.com. Please check it out. It has all my videos on it, rebate apps, and printable breakdowns. There's also a printable breakdown in the description box for you guys to use, so feel free.
Okay, so the first thing we're getting is some Kraft macaroni and cheese, and it is 98 cents, and we have a 10 cents off coupon.
Well, not coupon, but we have an IBOTTA rebate. We'll get 10 cents back on the Kraft macaroni and cheese.
So it's going to be 88 cents for
awesome.
Our mac and cheese.
And we can get 5 boxes if we wanted to, but we're just going to get one today.
Okay, so this one is a deluxe 4-cheese mac and cheese, and it is $2.77. But we have an IBOTTA rebate for $1, so it's going to be $1.77.
That's right, $1.77. Going to submit our receipt and get our dollar back. Awesome deal.
Ooh, wait.
What are we getting now?
So we are getting these SpaghettiOs original that are 98 cents, but we are getting a 40 cents back on our IBOTTA rebate.
Okay, 50 cents. IBOTTA back rebate. We have to buy 4 cans this time, okay? So it's going to be 98 cents for each can. All right, that's going to total to $3.92 for all 4 cans. With the 50-cent rebate, that's going to make it $3.40. What did I say? 42 cents? Yeah.
42
for all
cents.
4 cans. It's not the best deal, but it's something that we need to stock up on right now in our home. So pick up 4 cans and get that 150-cent rebate on our The next item we're picking up is this Herdez guacamole salsa. I'm picking this up for the football games. These are $2.46. There's a $1 rebate on IBOTTA, making these just $1.46. This is great to stock up for game day, so pick it up today. The next thing we're picking up are these Doritos 3D Crunch. Now on IBOTTA, you can do this deal up to 10 times, but I'm not going to do that today. I'm just going to pick up 1 bag. These are $2.98 in my store. It is not a huge bag. I think these are like 6 ounces, but it is a good deal. So $2.98. We're going to get a $1 back on IBOTTA, making it $1.98, and then we're also going to get a $1 back on Fetch, which is 1,000 Fetch points, making it 98 cents per bag. got any item on Ibotta today. This Great Value white bread is 88 cents. We have a 10-cent rebate on Ibotta, making this just 78 cents. So great deal on a necessary item. All right, so these Nature's Own hot dog and hamburger buns are my favorite. If you haven't tried them, you have to. The brioche style. These are $2.78 at my store. I have a 75-cent on Ibotta rebate, bringing this down to $2.03. So a very practical thing that we are getting today. So my whole trip today is about being practical, and I was really excited because we got the brioche buns, and they also had this Lloyd's pulled pork in the I guess it's like prepared food section in Walmart. So these are $6.88. We have a $2 Ibotta coming off, and then also a 10-cent on pork, any pork item coming off. So that's $2.10 worth of Ibotta rebates, making this just $4.78. I also picked up those brioche buns, so I'm going to take these brioche buns and that pulled pork and be very practical and make a meal out of it. We also got some of that Kraft macaroni and cheese, so we may eat that as well. So, you know, it's not just about couponing, but it's also getting the things that you need and want for your family. Very excited to try this. Picking up these pearl olives for my daughter. She loves these for her lunchbox. These are $3.47. We have a 50-cent Ibotta rebate coming back on these, making these making these just $2.97 for a pack of olives. There's a limit of 5 on this. This is a little pricey. We don't usually get coupons for stuff like this, but she loves these for her lunchbox. So if there's an Ibotta rebate, I'm definitely going to use it to pick up something she enjoys. This is my favorite deal of the day. This Oikos, I can't ever say it right, Oikos yogurt is just $1 here at my Walmart, and we have a 75-cent pack for each one, making these just 25 cents each. There's a limit of 5 on Ibotta, so I'm going to pick up 5 at 25 cents each. So it should have been $5, but it's only going to be $1.25 for all 5 containers of yogurt. Pretty amazing deal. All right, so we're getting some good deals on meat today. We have those chicken nuggets, we have that pulled pork that we're going to make sandwiches with, and we also have this Smithfield pork tenderloin. And so, you know, we don't get coupons for meat, but when Ibotta has rebates on it, I really like to jump on it. This is $3.48 per pound, which is going to make this $6.79 per pound. And then we have a $1 rebate on Ibotta coming back, making this just $5.79. So super excited about this. So we've got some more meals for our family this week.